Well, good morning, everybody, and welcome. I'm Dr. Mark Conley, chair of the Gundersen Lutheran Medical Foundation. We're glad to have all of you here. This is one of my favorite events of the year when I come to see the Kohl folks again, and they're so good to us over the years. And we're grateful to the Kohl's organization. Do you realize that we've been recipient now of about $272,000 from the support for the Kohl's Cares Kids Care College program? And this program addresses a wide range of injury prevention and safety issues. There's a great need for education on safe playground equipment, winter safety with falls on ice and snow, accidents with skating and sledding, and this addresses a number of summertime issues as well, playing in pools near rivers and streams. So proper ongoing injury prevention and safety education can prevent a fun-filled afternoon turning into one filled with tragedy. And it's amazing that all these funds that they raise for us are due to the sales of $5 books and plush. And you can see some of them in front of you here. They're really something. And over the years, some of the little plush animals I give out to my kids who are members of my cleft lip and palate program, and they are a big hit. But for you adults, Kohl's also, for the same price, offers cookbooks. And they offer CDs, particularly for country and western music, which happens to be mine, and I see there's a new one now on classical music as well. You know, the Kohl's organization is just remarkable. I went on their website yesterday to look at things, and they have over 1,000 stores. And in the last 9 years, they've had 39,000 volunteer events that their associates have taken part in, and that is close now to over $1 million in volunteer hours. So this organization is one that gives back to the community in a lot of wonderful ways. And again, we are pleased that the Kohl's representatives are here today, Sherry and Paula, to present us with another wonderful check for the organization. So thank you very much. Now I'd like to also present to you Dr. Steve Manson, who's chair of the Department of Pediatrics. Steve?
And I am likewise pleased to be here today, and I think this is a fitting setting to receive this check presentation here at the Gundersen Lutheran Daycare Center with children in our midst. This is what the program is all about, and we're working really hard to try to help families and kids in the area with these funds. To date, as Mark mentioned, we've received over $250,000 from Kohl's. It's a huge sum of money, and the check this year is about $57,000 plus. And this will go a long way toward these wonderful educational events that we will be holding in the area over the next few months' time in support of the Kids Cares College program. The program is designed to provide ongoing and quality education for parents, for daycare providers, for educators. And again, the topics this year will be primarily regarding safety and injury prevention. And that's something that we preach to our families all the time when they come into our offices for their well visits, as injury is one of the leading causes of death of kids of this age. So in order to try to keep these wonderful young people well and healthy, we will pass on this information through these different seminars that will be offered throughout the region. The cycle runs from September of this year through next August, and there will be 3 events at the Children's Museum again this year. Those have been a big hit in the past because the families and the children like attending and being able to use the facilities there. There will be 2 events in Eau Claire, Wisconsin. There will be 2 Super Saturdays events, which have also been very popular, especially with teachers and educators as they have trouble getting off during the week to attend some of the events. There will be 2 events at Hamilton Soda School, which is just right up the street, one of our neighborhood grade schools. And then there will be 1 evening event here at Gundersen Lutheran as well. So again, we want to thank the representatives from Kohl's for their wonderful support of the programs. I can testify to these fabulous books and toys. My grandkids have tons of these in their bedrooms at home. They're a great way to reach out to the community and support our wonderful educational programs here. So thank you again.
Did you want to say something? Okay, I'd like to present Paula Eppens, and she's going to be presenting the check to us. And come on, Steve. Yeah. Why don't we put a rose between 2 thorns?
Well, I'm very proud and honored to offer $57,284 that has been raised not just by Kohl's, but by the community. because it's a community that responds well to our items so that we can continue to provide to the children's health and education in the community. And I'm just very excited and happy to be part of Kohl's and be a part of La Crosse area and Gundersen Lutheran. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Wonderful. We're gonna take
All right.
some. Okay, he's gonna take some.
Oh,
Okay,
just look
one
for it.
more. Yeah.
Here we go. Good. Perfect. One more. There you go. Thanks.
Good, good. Oh, that's exciting.